Once again to all my colleagues within the States of Solution. My name is Drew Martin, and I'm the Senior Project Manager for States of Solution. And today we're going to have a quick video tutorial of our online community. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to our browser window there and type in connect.100mlives.org, which will bring you to this window. Now, if you already have utilized or have a sign in and password for 100 Million Healthier Lives, you go right ahead and put that in this box. But if you don't, the first thing you want to have to do is join 100 Million Healthier Lives. So I'm actually going to join with my IHI work email because right now I'm a member with just my personal email. So I think this should work. Okay, we're going to type that in again. Come up with a super hard password. All right, hit continue there. I'm not going to save that. Organization is IHI, my role, senior PM. All right, I've been a member since I think 2015. Okay, so yes, I am in Plainfield, Illinois. I'll put my picture there later, but for now, you can obviously drag and post your picture. We'll skip there for time reasons. And immediately you're able to continue and go right to the Connect at 100 Million Healthier Lives community, which is also known as the online community for 100 Million Healthier Lives. The online community, like I said before, is it helps you share ideas, share resources, learn about bright spots, learn about buckets of work outside of States of Solution within the entire 100 Million Healthier Lives movement. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to look at a few of these tabs. First one is the lobby. Within the lobby, you'll have um, the Measure What Matters platform, the map of the movement, and the live stories. So with the Measure What Matters, this is our free online database that could be used by anyone, yourselves or the partners you hope to engage and activate throughout States of Solution, for them to use this metric platform to measure their impact. As you can see right now, we have close to 1,000 users using close to 2,500 different metrics to measure their impact. The next thing I want to show you is the map of the movement, which should be used lots by this community because, as you can see, it will take you directly to all of our close to 1,800 partners worldwide. Most importantly, say if I'm the North Carolina Alliance for Health and I'm looking to do work around tobacco, let's type in my state, North Carolina. It'll take me right to a few initiatives. I know for sure. Let's go to Raleigh and let's go up here. So, Greg Randolph, who's the president of Population Health Improvement Partners, could be a potential partner for North Carolina, as he is interested in pediatrics, public health, and population health, which I'm sure he has a strong focus on the use of tobacco. So there you have his email address, the website of the organization, where it's located, and just some more information. Now, through all our 1,800 partners, for sure they know about 100 Million Healthier Lives. They understand equity and well-being and is working towards equity and well-being. So it should be a natural partnership if that's the direction that you guys would like to go in. And lastly, live stories. So live stories is a creative way to tell the story behind the data using interactive charts and maps. And we will always have office hours and tutorials on how to use live stories, as we hope that this is a tool that may be used um, while trying to scale and spread your work throughout the state. All right. The next thing we're going to look at is the community chat. Now, with the community chat, this is our Zoom, which we will probably start using after the orientations in lieu of the WebEx. The Zoom can be used by anyone with a login. And if you guys decide as states you want to meet um, with a different state, or you want to set up a meeting with entities within your own state as you guys continue your work towards equity and well-being through the States of Solution initiative, you guys can set your own meetings using our Zoom platform. It's easy to use, it's interactive, and it's quite cool. So in lieu of other web-based portals that may cost or may not be as efficient, we do offer this opportunity to chat, like I said, within your state or within other partners as you do your work throughout the States of Solution initiative. Okay, our community library is another highlight. Community library, the States of Solution has its own folder. Within that folder, you will find what we an application synthesis. You just download that. You can pull it right up. We have things like our call schedule, the RFP, and then within this folder, you'll see all of the webinars, including the orientation webinar and the team webinars going forward. We will include other things that that is necessary for the viewing of our partners. All right. So, sorry about that. The next one here is the States of Solution um, has its own dashboard, similar to Facebook, where you can put links, put images and documents. As you see, I put a few here. This is a link to the new city dashboard. Things that may be interesting are the official press release of those winners of the of those states who were accepted to the States of Solution project there. But I would like to do a quick demonstration. We're asking that each of you just do from 3 to 5 here. Post something about yourself and the work of your state that you would like to be doing on the online community, and any asks offers you might have. Please also send me a high resolution picture of your state that we can include on the website. And then, peruse others as others start to post, where you can learn about other states and let us know if there is one you would like to particularly work with. So this online community, is not only beneficial to those states within States of Solution, but definitely beneficial to us as we learn more about you as you share with each other throughout this dashboard. So any notes, you may decide to write a quick note. Says, welcome to States of Solutions. My name is Drew Martin. ... I work with Institute for Healthcare Improvement, and my goal towards equity is ... We will continue that. I'm going to continue too far because I wanted to post. You review, and then you hit continue, and then it will post. It will post to the platform. So that will conclude our online tutorial. If you have any questions, you can email me at dmartin, that's D as in dog, Martin, Martin, at ihi.org. I look forward to learn more about you personally and your teams on our online community. Thank you.